with summer.
Hey guys, it's Giri there here, and I think I'm showing my face in the video for the first time since I rebranded this Phonelicious channel into G Phone Tech. I hope you like the new name and the new logo. Just let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. So today I'm here to talk to you about a new mobile phone, newly launched Android One mobile phone from Motorola. Pretty much all the Motorola mobile phones which we have seen have been giving us a stock Android experience, but none of these mobile phones have the OS directly from Google. So now we have this Android One program specifically in India. This is the first time they're launching a mobile phone with Android One program, and this mobile phone is called the Motorola One Power. Okay, Motorola One for the reason that it is an Android One mobile phone, and Motorola One Power for the reason that it has a 5000 mAh of battery. Let me tell you about the specifications of this mobile phone. This mobile phone has a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus resolution with a notch on it, 19:9 aspect ratio, and on the camera front it has the 12 megapixel camera on the front, a 16 megapixel plus a 5 megapixel depth sensor on the back. A fingerprint sensor is also there. Unfortunately, there is no face unlock on this mobile phone. We get to have a Snapdragon 636 chipset on this mobile phone, with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of onboard storage. If you feel that 64 GB isn't enough for you, you can always expand it via the dedicated SD card slot that is there on this mobile phone. So you can actually use 2 SIM cards and an SD card on this mobile phone independently. I just spent a little time with this mobile phone, so I also clicked a couple of shots with this mobile phone. Just let me know what you think about these shots. I'll just show you the camera samples right now, but I'll talk to you more about this mobile phone on my full review. On the software front, you all know that this is running on pure Android One program, so you don't expect a lot of features on this Moto One Power, but it does have some key features that differentiates any other device from a Motorola device. Things like kind of twist to open up the camera, or even the chop to open up the flash. So we have certain customizations, but not so deep that it might hamper the time frame from which we get the latest Android updates from Google. But they have promised the Android Pie on this mobile phone soon. I am really excited about this mobile phone for one specific reason, that this is a mid-range mobile phone, and this comes with a massive 5000 mAh of battery. I haven't seen many mobile phones in the market with 5000 mAh of battery, barring one exception, which is the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. Anyway, I'm going to test all this out, and I'm going to compare it with all the mid-range mobile phones I have with me, the Zenfone Max Pro M1, and also Redmi Note 5 Pro. So I'll do an in-depth comparison video of all these mobile phones in my channel as well. So make sure you don't miss out on those videos, and for that you'll have to click the subscribe button and also the bell button next to it. And until I catch up with you on the next video, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.